In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a Samsung account from your smart television. Now, you may want to do this if you're selling your television, or you just want to go and remove all of your personal data. Now, the first thing we need to do is go and load up the settings on our television. So you can do this by clicking the settings button on your TV remote control, or alternatively, you can come over to the Samsung home screen, scroll all the way over on the left-hand side, and you can go and click on settings from here. Now, once you're on the settings page, just scroll down to general and go and select this. Scroll over on the right hand side, scroll down to system manager and go and click on this, and then scroll down again until you see Samsung account and select this. Now from this page you'll see all of the accounts that you're currently signed into on your television. Now just go and select the account that you want to delete, and then you can select my account. Now from this page, you'll have a couple of different options. So you can just go and temporarily sign out of the account. But if you want to permanently remove this from your Samsung TV, then just come down to remove account and click on this. And you may need to go and enter your password in order to confirm these changes. And that's going to sign you out and disconnect your account from this Samsung television.